Y'all, welcome back to my channel. I am Lime Green. So today I am doing a makeup tutorial on this palette. I wasn't sure if I was going to film today because I do have some errands to run. I just signed up for a membership. My friend kept asking me to do this membership, so I have to go check into that. And I have to go to the grocery store. And I just put my contacts in. I'm debating if I should take them out because they're starting to irritate me. This eye right here. But anywho, if you want to see how this look turns out, keep on watching. And also, if you are new to my channel, check me out. Hey. And if you're a returning subscriber, thank you, girl. So yeah, let's jump into this tutorial. All right, so I have my eyes primed with the P. Louise. I have it in Rumor 0.5, and I'm trying to think what shade I'm about to go in with to do a transition. I don't even know what I'm doing right now. Let's see. So first I'm going to go in with this shade right here. So I'm basically just going to pack it right here in this part of the eye. I hope this match. Logan, recording. I'm sorry, my son is having an episode, okay? But anyway, so I'm just going to pack it right here. And I hope this matches my outfit. I'm just wearing jeans because I'm just running errands. But I am probably going to go for dinner today. I don't feel like doing Taco Tuesday today. So probably somewhere else. Y'all, so I just ended up redoing my makeup and wearing black and white because I didn't feel like wearing all that color. So yeah. Next, I'm going to go in with this shade right here. I think if I do go out for dinner, I'm going to wear a dress that is this color since I'm wearing this mauve palette. Oh, and I even talked that much about this. So this is the Juvia's Place mauve palette. But you already would know that by looking at the title. So, you know, I ain't doing too bad. Okay, so I'm just going to pack that right here. I really should have made more space for this mauve color because the dress is mauve. But we'll catch the drift. We'll get it together. Alright, so the colors is applied to both the eyelids. Next, I'm about to go in and cut my crease, girlfriend, okay?
Over your skin, you can see it beat. Intoxicating your energy. First time in so long you felt the heat. Evaporating your bindings. Move like the sunlight. Darkness can't hold you here. Bold and bright, push through the atmosphere. This is your dawn, this is your break. Move like the, move like the, move like the sunlight. Darkness can't hold you here. Bold and bright, push through the
but this Durachrome right here, baby, it is freaking cute. Like, look at it. It looks so cute. This don't really look mauve anymore. It looks purple, but that's all right. So I'm going to go ahead and do my eyeliner and apply my lashes.
Eyes on the door, you've got them trained. I know what you're thinking, what's it gonna take? Have another deep breath, think before you say. Think before you say, think before you say. I'll play the fool, you sit and wait. Awkward conversation, when's it gonna change? How has your day been? What else can I say? What else can I say? How else can I say? You're tumbling around in my head. Can't think through all the
All right, y'all, so this is the final look. Cute. Check me out. Check me out. So I did have fun with this palette. This palette is really pretty. You can have different type of looks. I was going for a mauve. As you can see, it looks more on the purple side, which is okay. So thank you so much for tuning in. Love you all, and bye.